Hi guys, I wanted to very quickly explain to you how to work backwards from motion. Consider this problem right here. A 5 kilogram block is pushed by a constant force starting from rest. It moves 5.0 meters in 5.0 seconds. What is the applied force? And the reason I call this working backwards from motion is that we can picture this block being pushed by the force F. And as a result of being pushed by that force F, it starts with an initial velocity of 0, because it's starting from rest, and then it accelerates until, after 5 seconds, it travels this distance right here of 5 meters. And so we can label that distance delta x as 5.0 meters, not seconds, as I just wrote. And so what we're going to have to do is to work backwards from the motion to determine the acceleration. So our thought process is the motion here is going to give us the acceleration. And then, because F net equals ma, then that will tell us the force that is applied. And so now this breaks down into two separate skills that you've already learned. The first is find the acceleration. We might put it like this. Given that the block starts from rest with v0 equals 0 and travels a distance of 5 meters in 5 seconds, what is the acceleration on the block? And it's not too hard to see that our equation of motion, delta x equals v0t plus 1/2 at squared, is ideally suited for this. 5 meters equals 0 plus 1/2 of an unknown acceleration times 5 seconds squared, so that the acceleration is equal to, multiply both sides by 2, divide both sides by 25, and get 10 meters over 25 seconds squared, which simplifies to 0.40 meters per second squared. And now that we have the acceleration, we can now take it to Newton's second law and say that F net is equal to 5 kilograms times the acceleration that we found, which is going to give me 2 kilogram meters per second squared, which, as you remember from class today, is the same as a Newton. Well, I hope this is helpful to you.